Don't make fun of my background, all right? I couldn't find no picture, but let's get to it. Plant life screams while being harvested in a new study. Let's get into it. A research study published in 2023 in the Cell journal, Vegetation or Plant Life emits sound, producing clicking noises or screams when in pain or distress. Humans can't hear this without using some kind of scientific equipment. One of the evolutionary biologists said in a statement, even in a quiet field, there are actually sound that we don't hear carrying information. And even some animals can hear sound, insects and animals all the time, interacting with the plants. These organisms use sound to communicate, so it makes sense that the vegetation as well. The definition of distress comes from cutting stems or flowers more when they are dehydrated. They don't even know how they make sound themselves. So yeah, man. So every time y'all cut or pull out stuff and all that, they scream like, ah, they in there.